Hey everyone, it's AppTap. In this video, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Facebook. If you want to update your Facebook profile photo, you can do it directly inside the app. Facebook also gives you a few editing options and privacy settings as well. So let me show you the whole process step by step. First, open the Facebook application. Once you are on the home screen, tap the three lines menu. From there, tap on your profile to open your profile page. To change your profile picture, tap the small camera icon on your current profile photo. After tapping it, a few options will appear. Facebook will now give you different choices for selecting a photo. You can choose a picture from your camera roll or select one from the suggested photos Facebook shows you. For this example, choose a photo from your camera roll or suggested photos. Tap on the picture you want to use. After selecting the image, you will see a few options. You will also see an option that controls whether this update appears on your timeline. If you don't want people to be noticed, you can turn off the option that share the update to the news feed. Facebook also lets you edit the photo before saving it. You can crop the picture, adjust how it fits in the frame, or even add a frame around your profile picture. Another useful feature is the temporary profile picture. For example, you can set the photo for 1 hour or 1 day. After that time, Facebook will automatically switch back to your previous profile picture. Once everything looks the way you want, tap save and that's it. Your new profile picture will be updated. I hope this helped. If you want any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to AppTap for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.